I'll just have another bite.
So it's been getting really hot lately here in Vancouver. I thought, why not have some ice cream? Well, you can either go to the store and buy ice cream, or I thought, why don't we try making our own ice cream? There's two ways of doing it apparently. There's the ice cream maker way, which takes up to about 24 hours, which I don't want to do. Then there's another way, which only has 3 ingredients and takes about 4 hours to do. All right, so what you do is you need some chocolate, you need some condensed milk, and you need whipping cream. These are your 3 ingredients that you need. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our chocolate chips into a bowl. Try and get as much of it as you can. You're gonna take condensed milk, and we're gonna pour that into here. And then you use the microwave to microwave this. 30 seconds, mix it up, another 30 seconds, and you should be good to go. So what I have here is I have a chilled bowl, chilled it for about 15 minutes. We're gonna take some whipping cream, and then we're gonna mix in the chocolate, and that's about it. And then you just pour this in and then mix it up. Really, it's pretty easy. Like, you're looking at whipping cream and condensed milk and whatever fillings you want. That's the nice thing about homemade, is that you get to customize it however you want. Now we're gonna pour it into our bowl, which we're gonna set it in. And this is what we're gonna freeze. It's at this point you're probably gonna want to put in your extra stuff, right? So at this point you put in your wafers or your fruit or whatever else you're looking at adding in. Take this, put it into the freezer, and you're good to go. About 4 hours and that's it.
Okay, from where to start? I mean, let me decide. Dhing tarara, dhing tarara, dhing tarara, dhing.
So I eat a lot of ice cream, so hopefully like I should know.
Ice cream actually is one of my favorites, so let's see if I can test this right. So one is store-bought and the other one is homemade.
Okay. I'll start from here.
I don't eat it often, but I am a fan. I am a wine connoisseur and an ice cream connoisseur, so chocolate and chocolate. A little bit melty, but it's all good.
Whoa, ice cream. Yeah, ice cream.
That's your standard chocolate ice cream. Sweet, velvety, rich, cold. And this one has a more interesting consistency.
One scoop, right?
Not too big.
Too late now. Whoa. Whoa.
They both taste really good, actually. They both taste really good. But just going by
the consistency and the texture, I think this one would be homemade. And I think this one is store-bought. I like both actually, which is why I'm gonna go for another round.
Fudgy. Fudgy. Sweet. Not as cold, but absolutely delicious.
The homemade one. It just has more flavor in it.
And I like that one better. It's creamier. It like has more love in it.
Elder people say that, the homemade stuff is the best. This one is the yummiest one right now.
And it's absolutely delicious. That's so good. It tastes like a brownie fudge ice cream, if there's such a thing.